The GRP bench manufacturing process begins with the carpenters, who carefully construct a full-scale MDF pattern according to the approved design specifications. This pattern is the foundation of the entire process, serving as the master shape from which the mold will be made. Since the bench requires a smooth finish on both the top and bottom surfaces, a split mold is created to ensure accuracy and quality on both sides. To prepare the mold, layers of resin and chopped strand mat are applied over the MDF pattern. Each layer is carefully laid down to capture the fine details and contours of the design. Once fully cured, the mold is separated from the MDF pattern, thoroughly cleaned, and made ready for production use. Production begins with the application of a mold release agent. This is an essential step, as it creates a barrier between the mold and the product, ensuring that the finished GRP bench can be removed easily without causing any surface damage. Next comes the Gelcoat preparation. Pigments are mixed into resin, along with aerosol powder, to create a smooth and uniform coating. The Gelcoat not only defines the final color of the bench, but also protects the surface against weathering and wear. Typically, 2 coats of Gelcoat are applied to achieve excellent coverage, durability, and a glossy finish. After the Gelcoat has cured, reinforcement begins. Workers carefully lay chopped strand mat into the mold, followed by resin application. Using brushes and steel rollers, they press out trapped air bubbles and ensure the resin saturates every layer. This process is repeated multiple times until the bench reaches the required strength and thickness. At this stage, steel brackets with nuts are fixed to the underside of the bench using resin and mat layers. These embedded fittings are crucial, as they provide the mounting points needed to attach the finished bench securely to a steel frame. To further enhance rigidity and reduce weight, foam is inserted into the hollow cavities of the bench. GRP putty is then applied to seal and bond the top and bottom sections of the mold. Once aligned, the 2 halves of the mold are pressed together firmly and secured with bolts to cure into a single, solid piece. After several hours of curing, the mold is opened, revealing the newly manufactured GRP bench. The raw product is then trimmed, cleaned, and polished. Workers buff the surface to achieve a glossy, smooth, and professional finish. The final stage of the process involves attaching the bench to its steel support frame. This frame not only provides strength and stability, but also ensures the bench can withstand heavy use in public spaces such as parks, bus stops, and recreational areas.